We have to know which police station we are going to. Yes, we have to know which police station we are going. Tell us, we have a right to know why we are being arrested. Tell us why we are being arrested.
Hebu acha toka hapa. Hebu kuja tusikie kitu madam.
Kenya is not a police state. Kenya is not a police state. Arrest the right people. Arrest the right people. We are not this. Arrest